I had enough of fast car.
1,400 horsepower. Hellcat. Guys, this is VTech Vic, and we got here
Raymond.
This is Raymond's 1,400 horsepower SRT, right? And this is the Hellcat, right?
Yep, this is a Hellcat.
So tell me, you know, what has been done to it.
Yeah, it was built by All Park Garage out of Gwinnett, Georgia. It took us a little bit over a year on it. It's set of twin turbos on it, big cam on it.
So yeah, it's not supercharged. It's turbocharged. So
yeah, we took the supercharger out completely and we just went straight turbocharged all the way. Like I said, we're still working on it. It's a fresh build.
Fresh build, and they're just breaking in the engine right now that has about what 600 miles or 600?
It's 600 miles.
600 miles. So they're still on braking oil right now, but you know, obviously everybody, we're just trying to have fun either way, so it is what it is.
It's tested 2K, baby. We got to do what we got to do.
And yeah, we just came for Texas 2K, and we're just about to do, you know, a couple little pulls in the highway, and I guess we see you guys there then. All right.